Alright, quick update on Solana. This is going to be focused on the micro term. I can just quickly highlight the macro term. Obviously we are in a massive downtrend. We've broken below the 618, so in my opinion I'm really looking for this 786 to hold round about $72. That is basically it for the macro term. I don't want to keep on repeating myself every time I make a short-term update. But in the short term specifically, it does look like we are now breaking below this head and shoulders neckline. Now in yesterday's video I said I do think it's likely that we are going to be coming down to around about this region here at 72, specifically because, you know, we really should have had a bounce around here. This would have been the region I would have liked it to triple bottom, but this is your last line in the sand. So really all I want to say for Solana today is I do think we are about to fall below this neckline. You know, if I'm wrong, I'd be happily wrong because I do hold a lot of Solana, but you know, we have already had a massive capitulation wick below. We are currently just, you know, very much hugging the top of this breakdown level over here. So all in all, I do think Solana is going to come down a little bit more if I do flatten the data. Yeah, I mean, anywhere in this green box is where I'm looking for a bottom, and I've highlighted before why I think this triple bottom structure and then a massive run up could be very valid. If we do zoom out to, you know, the previous bull run that Solana had, we came all the way up, made a massive all-time high, had a 69% dump, put in a triple bottom structure, and then ran all the way up, made a new all-time high. And on this occasion so far, you know, we made that all-time high, came down. This was a 69% drop, but now if I can find where this links to, so this has now been a, you know, 71% drop, so very similar to what we put in previously in the previous market structure. So yeah, this is your last line in the sand. If we do break below 69, I do believe, you know, Bitcoin is going to be breaking into a bear market, or at least bear market territory. But yeah, I mean, this 72 from a technical perspective is the 786, so I wouldn't want to see a daily close below 72. Worst case scenario for me, where I still remain bullish, I think we come down to 72, have a quick wick to 69 or 68, whatever it be, and then we close round about this 72 region and then have a strong push up. If we don't do something like that, then, you know, you can pretty much kiss this triple bottom goodbye. The Bitcoin pair is also coming down. We have touched the 1.618 target that we highlighted, you know, like a couple of weeks ago. And you know, like I said, as long as we do hold this 1.618, we don't have too much to worry about in the Bitcoin pair. But you know, if we do break below this, there's nowhere else for us to bounce. You know, this we've already dropped below the 618. There's no fib targets apart from all the way down here at the 786. So this would mean that Solana would be losing 24% of its price against Bitcoin. And you can imagine if Bitcoin starts breaking below the 37 and coming down, you know, if Bitcoin comes down 20 or 30% and the Sol BTC pair is coming down 25%, you know, in my opinion, that would put Solana around about anywhere probably below 55, to be honest. I mean, yeah, I mean, this would be 30% down. So in my opinion, you know, I would like to say that's the bottom, but I think that is a little bit too much of a hopium scenario. If Solana is going to be losing 23% of its price against Bitcoin, I think we would probably at least wick below 55, and you know, this would be this previous all-time high, which would not really look good. So, you know, like I said, we can talk about that another day if we lose 69, but right now I am looking for a bottom round about 72 to 69. I do think we'll bottom around here. That is not financial advice, that is just my own trading plan. I do plan on accumulating some Solana down here, you know, between 70 and 69, and that is basically what I'm waiting for right now. So that is all I see for Solana. To be fair, the RSI and the MFI do look reasonably healthy, but yeah, I really need to see a strong impulse and a bottoming signal, which would be this triple bottom. So that is all I see. I am predicting a breakdown to at least 72 in the next 2 days or so. And yeah, if you are holding Solana, best of luck. Once again, none of this is financial advice, it's just my opinion on the market. Cowboy out, peace.